What is up, my friends? So the question I need to answer in this video, because there's a lot of confusion, is will acid cleaners corrode and destroy my grout? What do I mean by acid cleaners? Well, what I mean is like vinegar. A lot of people use vinegar concoctions. They'll use vinegar, baking soda to clean their grout, or they'll use like toilet bowl cleaners, which are low on the pH scale, so they're acids. Also, just something like Grout Eez, which is a acid-based professional grout cleaner that I recommend here on this channel in my video, How to Clean Your Grout. Also, many of the other professional grade acid cleaners that you encounter that you buy on Amazon, you buy in the stores like Home Depot, they're all acid-based. So does all this stuff, these acids, destroy your grout? So acid cleaners will remove a thin layer from the grout if you allow them to sit and dwell for extended periods of time, but they won't damage the integrity of the grout. What do I mean by integrity? Meaning they won't weaken the grout to a point to where you're in danger of it cracking and falling apart on you. Also, it won't be visible to the naked eye. The truth is, everything that you do to your grout to clean it will cause it to crumble slightly. Forget acid cleaners. Brush agitation alone will cause your grout to crumble slightly. Try it. Grab you a little handheld grout brush, brush that line about 10 times, agitate it, right? And then take your finger and rub it on the line, and you're going to feel the little pieces of grout because the agitation alone will remove a small thin layer, but you're not going to be able to notice the difference. It'll be very, very small, not visible to the naked eye whatsoever. Now here's the truth. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Acid cleaners breaking down grout, or vinegar is going to destroy your grout, is just a talking point within the cleaning industry. So companies and people will use that as a talking point to make their product and their service seem safer and superior to everyone else so that you'll buy their product or service. It's just marketing. It's kind of like when someone offers you a lifetime warranty. Well, there's no such thing as a lifetime warranty because companies go out of business. So if the company goes out of business, who's going to fix your product or service? They're not going to. They can give you a warranty for as long as they're in business, but don't fall for lifetime warranty. Also, it's kind of like when McDonald's, we're talking about marketing, right? Like when McDonald's says, hey, the McRib sandwich is back. This is going to be the very last time, right? This is its farewell tour. No, it's not, because you just bring it back next year every year. That's what they always say. But what they're trying to do is create an urgency within you so you'll go out and buy that sandwich. You know, get it while the getting's good before it goes away forever. They always bring it back. It's just marketing. Let me put it like this. In all of my years of cleaning houses, which has been about 18 now, I have never met one person that said, you know what, those acid cleaners, that vinegar destroyed my floor I was working on. Never happened once. Now, I will say that acid cleaners will destroy and remove the sealant that you're supposed to have on the grout. But even alkaline cleaners will do that. So whenever you clean your grout, thoroughly with an acid cleaner or an alkaline cleaner, you need to reseal it afterwards, because if you don't have your grout sealed, it's going to get dirty really, really easily and super, super fast. So I will say that, yeah, it will mess up the sealant, but not the grout itself. So I hope this video answered some questions. I hope it laid some myths aside. I hope you found it valuable. Until next time, my friends, I will see y'all in the next video.